Hello friend, welcome you all. Today I'm going to discuss about Zotero Reference Manager. Mainly I'm going to talk about how we can insert the citation in the document, bibliography insert, reference edit, replacement, delete or merge citation, merge two or more than two documents with citation and other information about this. So let's start. Here you can see the blank document and the Zotero desktop software. To add the citation in the document, it is necessary to open your Zotero desktop software in your system. Otherwise, you will not be able to insert the citation in your document. First, I'm going to add some random text in my document. For this, I'm going to use rand command. Here you can see random text is added in my document. And to add the citation, first look the Zotero option in the ribbon. You can see here and click on that. Now at the left side, you can see the associated tab like add or edit citation, add edit bibliography, insert note and other option like document preferences, refresh and unlink citations. To insert the citation in this document, keep the cursor at the location where you want to add the citation. Click on add or edit citation button and first time this will open the document preferences where you can select your citation style that you want to keep in your document. Select style and click here on the OK. Now this open search dialog box where you can search your references using the title or the author name. I'm going to search the references. Select the reference, press enter button. Here you can see reference is added in the document, but the bibliography is not showing in this document. To insert the bibliography, select the location where you want to add the bibliography and click here add or edit bibliography. Now you can see bibliography is added for this particular reference. And this is required only once for any document, and if you add other references next time this will automatically update it. You don't need to add the bibliography manually each and every time. Like you can see, I'm going to add the next references here. Select the location or keep the cursor here, click add or edit citation. Again this open the search bar and you can search your references, press enter. You can see here the second reference is added and the bibliography automatically updated. So you don't need to add bibliography each and every time. In this way you can add the references in your document. Like if I want to add the other references beside this, so keep the cursor here. Again click here add or edit citation. This is showing the already you have one citation at this location and you can add other references as well here. Select this and press enter. Now you can see there is two references and bibliography updated. And if you want to delete any references from here, keep the cursor here. Again click add or edit citation. Now you can delete the citation that you want to delete here and press enter. Now you can see the reference is removed. Now I'm going to add the other references here. Again you can see the search box, but if you click here on this small arrow button, this is showing the keep sources sorted. But if you click here on the classic view, this open a new window in which you can see all your library of your collection and you can select very easily any references that you want to add in your document. Sometimes it is very helpful to select your references or to search your references. Now I'm going to add the other references here again. And again I'm going to open this, click here classic view. If you are adding only one reference then it is okay, but if you want to add more than one references using the classic view, click here on the multiple source. If you click here you can see the right side the reference that you have added showing here, and these are some arrow and you can manage the references by these arrow. And like I want to add one more reference at this location, select the reference in your library. You can see the green arrow, click here. Now this is added at this location. And likewise if you want to change the order in your document you can also change the order. Like I want to add the string references before IL-17, so click this arrow. You can see the order is changed. Now click OK. So in this way you can manage your references in the classic view. And if you want to fix classic view for your adding citation for each and every time, you can change your preferences style for this. open your Zotero desktop software, click here edit, preferences. In the preferences, in the Zotero preferences, click here word processor beside styles, and here you can see use classic add citation dialog. Select this one and click OK. And now if you select the any location and try to add the other references, click here add or edit citation. Now you can see each and every time this will open for this document. And after all, if you want to change the style of your document, click here the document preferences and change your style just in a single click for your document. And again, click here the document preferences. You are not able to find your the citation style, click here on manage style. This will open the Zotero preference in the Zotero desktop software, and in the site option you can click here get additional style. This will open the Zotero style repository and you can search your style type, and like PMC immunology I'm going to add this. You can see here in your Zotero desktop software this style will be added. Again click here on the document preferences and search that style. Here you can see and click select and click OK. Your reference will be arranged according to this. Now I am going to show you how you can merge the citation from two different documents. So you can see here my file 2 have some information with the references, and the file 1 also have information with the different reference style, but both are prepared in the Zotero, and I want to merge both the text document in one file. So this is very easy. Select all the document, Control C, and paste in the document that you want to merge here, and I want to increase the size. Click here Zotero and refresh button. Now you can see all my references from the other style, they are now changed according to this file, and my all the text document are merged together. This is very easy to merge the two document in Zotero, and I hope this may help you in your writing. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.